All right, so language explorers, let's look at today's word of the day. Determine. 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 Make something happen in a particular way. I will determine my own future. We will determine which door, my choices will determine my future. He will decide, and that will determine what happens next. She thinks it can work, so she thinks it can work, so that will determine what they do. It is determined by how fast you move. Yeah. How fast you move. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So they think it is determined by chance. By chance, but it is actually by skill. By skill. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, by skill. So, it was already determined that they would go first. Yeah, someone already decided. So it was determined by them. I am slowly determining what to do, thinking what to do, this way or that way, that door or this door. The door that I pick will determine the future. Yeah. Each door has something different behind it. How cool is that? How will it determine what happens next? What does that mean? What does that mean for me? How does that choice determine what happens next? How does that choice determine what happens next? Okay, I'm not so sure. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So my choices now will determine what kind of future I have. My choices now will determine my future. They will determine my future. Yes. The things I do now will make other things happen in a specific and particular way. By recording now, it'll determine the future. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use determine in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.